Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe.
And hit the like button. Okay, ISO Street. I have another Hong Kong one. This is a blues festival here. We're going to take these steps down and we're going to go to an area called Lan Kwai Fung, and it's pretty busy in the nighttime. I have a feeling it'll be quiet right now. But I believe we're going to walk through it anyway, so. And this is in Central. Should have went this other way. It's another way I could have walked. Probably should have done that. I could have came down. I'm kind of going downhill right now, which means that I'm kind of be more at the base of Lan Kwai Fung. This is scaffolding right here. This is how they scaffold the buildings in Hong Kong and in China. So we're going to come up on the base of this area. A little bit hilly, right? In a nice way. Actually, Lan Kwai Fung was very, very busy last night, and I should have taken a camera through it, but I think that so many people film this area anyways that that it doesn't really need another one. Let's see, the advertising for Tuck and Flop. There's some of the bands. I'm gonna keep on walking. Try to get around this truck. So okay, it's quite active and busy. I could have came down instead of going up. So yeah, it's Lan Kwai Fung right there. Flower shop right across the street. Open all day. Ebenezer's, get some good pizza there. Some really good pizza in Hong Kong. Some nightclub. Might catch out of my video and then they'll think I'm putting it on this music. Okay, so yeah, right now it's 1 in the afternoon on a Sunday, so whatever's going on here is different than at nighttime. Let's see. I guess we're gonna walk down this way. But maybe you can get a chance of what Lan Kwai Fung looks like on a Sunday at 1 p.m. There's people over here eating at the Thai grill. It's open, must be open 24 hours because it was open all night last night too. Alright, so what we're going to do next is I'm going to go down a little bit and catch a taxi, and I'm gonna go to another part of the city. And at the base is one of the main streets that goes through here. I'll just film there and then we'll close this segment. But this is basically central Lan Kwai Fung on a Sunday at 1 o'clock. Just kind of strolling through a little bit of it. And it looks like I will have to cross the street. Once I cross the street, I can go through the street, and I'm going to try to catch a taxi. Okay. There we go, there's a green light. What we're gonna do is go through this alley. So, okay, this is called Theater Lane. So, Theater Lane, I'm gonna stop right here, and then you can come and check out the next video because I'll explore Theater Lane in a minute. But this is Queens Road, and straight up there is Lan Kwai Fung.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.